video. This one's going to be over headscarves. They have become an essential for the winter time for me. So I'm going to show you like 3 different ways that you can wrap them so that if you're a beginner like me, this is my second time wearing one and I think it looks pretty cute, you know, or you have some options in case one way don't work, then you could try another way. Start with your hair that's probably dirty, or maybe it ain't dirty, you just don't want to do it. Grab a scrunchie. And you want to try to put your hair as close to the top as possible. If your hair isn't long enough, then use a sock or use a donut. You can get them from the beauty supply store. Y'all know what I'm talking about though. Where you cut the toe part of the sock and then roll it down and it make a donut. If you didn't know, then now you know. I just taught you how to be hood rich. Okay. So take your hair. It don't have to be super cute or neat. Just take it. And you want to pin it up into some sort of a bun thing, okay? Again, it don't have to be cute. My hair is standing up, that's totally fine. Get your headscarf. I got mine from the beauty supply store. It was about $4 or $5, so check your beauty supply store if you have beauty supply stores near you instead of ordering them online, because they can get kind of expensive, especially if you get silk. And this is silk, it's supposed to be silk. It probably ain't, but whatever. Pull towards you, so you got your two pulling towards you. Combine it into one. Make sure you have enough scarf to kind of tuck away your hair. Once you do, then you take another scrunchie and you're gonna tie that scrunchie here. And I said this might be the easiest if you've never done a headscarf, just because it keeps it nice and snug, so that you don't have to worry about making sure it's nice and snug. So pull it through, almost like a ponytail. Pull it through, make it tight as you'd like. You can pop your ears out if you'd like to at this point. And then you are going to take one side, twist, and wrap it around. And then tuck it in there. And then I'm gonna take this side and I am going to wrap that around. So twist and wrap it around. If you wanna make it taller, make it taller. Totally up to you. I don't really like them too tall. So I'm probably gonna, wrap it just like that. Now, you know, it wouldn't be me if we didn't lay an edge, so I am going to always encourage you to pull out your edges, pull out some baby hairs. I don't know, I just feel like they just soften up a look. They just make everything look better, in my humble opinion. Okay, so that's option number 1. Super quick, simple, in real time. That took me like a minute, maybe 2. Okay, so that's option 1. Option 2, maybe you're a little bit more advanced, or maybe you don't have a scrunchie in the moment. You know, maybe you're traveling or you forgot one or whatever, you can't find it. So option 2 is, again, put your head wrap on, pull it, and then twist it in the front. Now, you are going to twist, you're gonna pull and then twist. So let's start with this side, and then I'm going to wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Now this is a little bit harder because it does leave the headscarf a little bit more loose, but it's okay. The beauty in these is that they don't have to be perfect, okay? And then you just twist, 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 twist. And then, like if pieces are sticking out, that's okay. You just twist them or hide them. So that's kind of sticking out. So let me see if I can hide that a little bit better. Let's see, if I twist it up under, I'm gonna just put it right up under that roll. Okay, and I don't know if you can see, but this one is a little bit looser just because I didn't have it so tight here. So the tighter you want your headscarf, you just pull it and make sure it's tight up here, and then that won't cause this looseness, okay? So depending on how sensitive you are to headaches, you might want it loose, you might want it tight. I don't know, depending on what your job is, I don't know. So again, with my baby hair toothbrush, pull out some edges. And you know, we good to go, you know, she's in there. My tag is sticking out right there, so y'all make sure y'all cut the tags off. Okay, so that's option 2. Again, if you don't have a scrunchie, or you want a looser headscarf because you don't like things tight on you or they give you headaches, this might be the one for you, sis. All right, option 3 is probably for the person who feels the most comfortable. So again, put your headscarf on. Make sure you're covering your hair. You can keep your ears in at the moment. You don't need to worry about them. And you're gonna pull it to the front. Make sure that the headscarf is covering your bun up here. If you want to, at this point, you can take out your ears. Some people like to do it at the end, it's up to you. What you're gonna do, again, you have both of your hands, both pieces of the scarf. You are going to pull it incredibly tight, and you are going to start, sorry, you can't see it because it's up under, you are going to start twisting and just adding in more of the headscarf as you twist. Now this one is going to give you one big twist, okay? And you just twist, 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 twist. And you tuck it. Now this one is probably my favorite just because I feel like it gives more headscarf. I like the one big chunky twist instead of multiple. You know, it wouldn't be me. Let me give you the full look, sis. I gotta show you what you're working with now. You gotta pull out your edges. Wait, again, optional, but for me, it's a mandatory. Pull out your edges, however many you like. If your edges are wet beforehand, I forgot to say to lay your edges beforehand. Like put a little water on them so they look a little bit tamed. All right, so pull out your edges and then let me tuck that a little bit. And then voila, look at that. So cute, you're ready to go out of the door. So hopefully this helps someone, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Hopefully one of these 3 ways to start off with your headscarf helps you to be fabulous and fly. But anyway, that's all I got. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Stay safe, and thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like the video if you like the video, and share it with a friend, family, whoever. Love y'all. Have a good one.